In the journey of trading, we all carry our own biases and try to factor them in every trading decision we make. Burdened by the biases and the stress of chasing every market fluctuation, we are unable to clearly focus on the journey and the stocks we are picking. We believe our biases need to be factored into every decision, and since only we consider our biases important, only we can take care of them while trying to predict what to do at every price movement. Our condition parallels the condition of a train traveler, carrying his luggage of biases on his head while trying to predict what he should do at the next train stop of price movement. Is it his destination? Should he buy some snacks? Should he buy something to read? Should he take a stroll? What? But when traveling in a train, would you carry the luggage on your head, when you can safely stow it away and spend your time interacting with other travelers and building memories of a successful trip? Let's extend the analogy even further. Wealthy traders resemble passengers in the luxurious AC compartment of a train. They seem to navigate the market with less stress. They don't worry much about the luggage, they have ample help. Yet their whims and fancies can get special consideration by the train staff. If you have cash in your pocket, you will get special treatment on the journey of investing. Dozen Diamonds invites you to travel cash-rich with a stressless trading method where you spend time conversing with other traders, aligning your goals, and carefully deciding which stops, like stocks, should be a part of your journey. While Dozen Diamonds builds a plan for you for each stop, Dozen Diamonds stress-less trading method is designed to release the burden of deciding how to navigate each stop and encourages you to just focus on selecting stocks that meet your interests. So, master the art of stressless trading and make your journey count. Download the Dozen Diamonds app now.